Today I'm going to teach you how to make chapati the way I do it at home, which comes out really good. We've got 1 kilogram of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and then we have a cup of water. With the water, you just use it accordingly, which you will see later. Okay, we put the self-raising flour in the pan, add the oil and the salt. Mix it, so that the salt, is well distributed in the flour. Then use cold tap water. You add in the middle, and then just keep on mixing. And fill it. That's how you know whether the water is enough or not. We may need to add a little bit more. This is a quick way of doing chapati because we will not need to leave it to rise. It's a bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. Mix it quickly, don't take too long because it's a clumping that is not good. It feels a bit dry, so I'm just going to add all of that now. So that was 1 3/4 water. At this stage, really, you can just now, because it's difficult to do it from the saucepan, so turn it over onto the one top, just mixing them together. Good exercise for your arms. So guys, it's done, and this is now the secret. It should be able to easily break. It shouldn't be like too soft. If it is too soft, your chapati is going to come out rubbery, hard, and you won't enjoy it. So now I'm just going to put some oil in my pan, and then in my frying pan, then I start frying. You don't need to leave this to rise at all. You make sure you prepare your plate with the tissue on top, because when you start frying your chapati, you need to put it on top so that the tissue, the kitchen tissue, can absorb the oil. Once you've done it like this, don't leave it out to dry. Just put it back in the saucepan, and then you get a kitchen towel and cover it, and just cover it up like that. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just try to divide them, because we are going to roll out now, and depends on the size of the frying pan you are using, and also the number of people you are making the chapati for. Although it doesn't matter, because you can always cut. It shouldn't be too thin. I think I kind of did this too small. I don't like normally adding flour on the top, because you can see that it doesn't stick anyway. And when you add flour, the frying pan burns very easily. So this one will make your chapati come out clean. So the oil has heated up. Now, keep on adjusting the temperature of your fire. If it is too hot, your chapati will burn. Keep on checking. Let it brown first. Especially like this, because with self-raising flour, it can start kind of expanding. You want your chapati to cook evenly, so that's why you press it down a little bit. It doesn't really take that long. Okay, you see the steam there. When it starts steaming like that, it means the fire is too high, so you reduce the heat.
They look good.
Yeah.
They taste good too, guys. I can testify to that.
Can you see it's golden brown? That's the color you're looking for. Golden brown. Make sure the middle is done properly, and then that's it.
So once it's all fried up, you can put them on a layer of tissue, and on top of the chapati put another tissue ready for the next chapati. This way it absorbs all the excess oil.
Okay, just put another tablespoon. Not really full, but you know, about 3/4 there. Yeah, that's another one there. Bring the fire up. While this is cooking, I will be rolling out another one. Keep on checking. If you feel that the oil at the bottom is too dry, while you're frying, you know, you also keep rolling so that when this one is done, you get the next one and put it in the pan so that you know, don't waste too much time. So I'm going to get the other one ready because it's nearly done. You roll from the middle out. When the rolling pin is not rolling very well, you need to do this. And also a little bit of oil. It wasn't spreading out very well. So I'm just going to, because I want it to come out equally. If you have children, if you give their brother or sister one that is a little bigger than the other one, it may cause trouble. At least you know that you have done your best, to be as you know, as just as possible.
Really helps. If we weren't filming, two of us could be working on these. One person rolling, the other person frying. Two people make it easier.
Yeah. You must have noticed how I've been you see when I've added the oil like that, if I don't, the reason why I do this is because I want the oil, you know, to cover the bottom part of the chapati properly. That's why I do that. But please, don't be careful when you're doing it. Make sure that you don't touch the side of your frying pan. It just comes kind of automatically now. Something I got used to. But you can also use your spatula. I am hungry and I need to break that chapati right now.
Ooh.
Yeah. See, so you need kitchen tissue when you want to make some of these things, chapati or mandazi. So now I just want to remove all the tissue so that you can see everything. Just remove them because it has absorbed. Oh, it makes me feel better actually when I use tissue. And it's quite hot though, really hot. So guys, you see it's not too thin. Can you see? Easily just breaks like that.
It's delicious.
You see?
It's a really soft bread.
Guys, I just want to tell you what you can enjoy with this chapati. It can be meat stew, vegetable stew, beans, you know, the brown beans. You can actually just put jam and have it with your tea Or you can just have it because it has got salt in there and it tastes good without even anything added to it. So you can have it with your cup of tea, roll in your egg. Rolex. You know, you can put whatever feeling you want and wrap it up and just eat. We like eating with just sauce. Like today we are going to have it with minced meat. Should have shown you before, but next time I'll show you how I make my minced meat so that you can also see how it is done. I know people have got different ways of cooking their minced meat. I want to show you how I do mine. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.